Hello everybody. So welcome to Tyvok Studio with Martin. So we have noticed that many of our users are curious about installation of Tyvok K1. So we are offering you two type of deliveries. The first one is fully assembled delivery and the second one is modular design. For modular design, Tyvok K1 is very suitable to set in the homes, studios, or even when you are moving this, you can set this very easily and within less than 5 minutes. So to assemble the modular design into ready K1, the process is very simple. You just need to connect x-axis and y-axis, and your K1 will be ready to go. Oh, did you see that the installation of Tyvok K1 is incredibly very fast and smooth, easy to install in home, studio, and everywhere you want. So you can just start work by our touch screen. It supports Lightburn, RDWorks, and Tyvok Studio, flexible for the workflow. And here is a huge surprise for you guys that by our modular y-axis, if you want to expand the Tyvok K1 in future, you don't need to buy a new machine. You just need to buy some accessories and parts to expand Tyvok K1. So see you. Goodbye.